My injury came from shoveling too much Boston snow. And, you know, no good deed goes unpunished. I was shoveling my neighbor's driveway. And I could barely brush my teeth. I couldn't put a spoon into my mouth. And I was just in excruciating pain. And Dr. Song used the needles, and she made me feel very comfortable because I was a little apprehensive. It was my first acupuncture experience. By the end of the week, I was gaining almost full mobility of my hand.
Undue stress, and Dr. Song was quite quick to begin the diagnostic process and trying to see if the stress in my hand or the pain in my hand was related to the stress in my body.
So were either of you afraid of needles prior to coming here?
Yes.
I was afraid of needles, acupuncture needles, because I didn't know what they were, and explained to me the cleanliness of using them. And then my fears were allayed by seeing that and understanding that what we were about to undergo wasn't anything that was drastic or severe. It was actually very relaxing and comfortable.
About needles, and I think she really makes you feel comfortable when you come in initially and walks you through the whole process so that you don't feel uncomfortable. And contrary to what one's mind conjures up about needles, it is a very relaxing process.
We also began to go beyond just the acupuncture through some of the medicinal
the herbs, the Chinese herbs we used.
Yes, and they were very effective as well.
Yes, I found immediate relief in my wrist. It was immediate that first day. I mean, I didn't have full capacity of my wrist, but by the end of the week, I had full movement and strength. I was regaining my strength.
I was surprised by how immediate I responded to the treatment. After the first session, I was having trouble sleeping. I was having tremendous anxiety, and after the very first session, I went to bed and slept like I'd never slept before. It was remarkable, and that was the beginning of a series of treatments that allowed me to kind of let a lot of the stress and anxiety that was bothering me, starting to let it ebb away and work through it, and I think the treatments were immediate in their impact on how I began to feel. I was somewhat of a skeptic at first, only in that I hadn't done it, and after experiencing it, I feel very comfortable to use it as a way of alleviating problems that I have.
I agree. If you're somebody who does need help or is in pain and is open to exploring alternative ways of healing, I definitely would give Dr. Song a call. I just had such a positive experience. I highly recommend her.